and Bhakti Vedanta, all the courses. And we have 1,000 students from all across the globe. Anybody can join from anywhere. And we have teachers who teach from here. That's similar to you have MIHG, VIHG. Similarly, we have people. This is the one. Bhakti Vedanta Raja Vidyalaya. So it's educational center. We have a seminar hall here. Aswaka Bhuake? Aswaka.
He's sitting. I'm already part of it.
Yes, you all can sit. Be comfortable. So now, our students will have a special advantage. They are going to have one director of the college coming now. His name is Rasa Vigraha Prabhu. You all can take your seats. Is it there? Sit there. Bhakti Vedanta Vidya Ashram. What is Vidya Ashram? So we have different levels of committed students. One minute you can hear this and then they can proceed. Just 2 minutes I'll tell you and then you can proceed. See, we have a Gurukul also in Pune. Gurukul. Gurukul means these children are between the age of 7 to 12. That way. We have about 20 children. We are not able to take care of too many. We have 20 we have taken. So to fully live in the Gurukul, we have about 5-6 teachers there. And they, we don't charge them anything. It's completely free. Free Gurukul. Boarding, lodging, studying, school textbooks also we give. And 3 hours to 4 hours in a day they will do school studies. And rest of the day all spiritual training. Our goal is to train them from the age of 7 or 8 to 18. 10 years we will train them and then they can decide. So they can go for engineering, medical or anything, or if they want to be brahmachari, if they want to take some Ayurveda, that kind of profession, yoga, they will do those kind of things. We have just started Gurukul. Now some parents may not be ready for Gurukul. Then we have next to Gurukul, we have BVB, about which you will hear today. BVB stands for Bhakti Vedanta Vidya Ashram. This is like a part-time school. It only functions the morning for about an hour and a half or so. Every day they have training in Chanakya Niti, they have Mahabharata, they have Ramayana, Prabhupada's books also, Kirtans, Mridangam playing, Kartar playing, all devotional training 1.5 to 2 hours daily. And there are 55 students were there in those days, now it has become 70-80, I heard now. And all our congregation devotees children. They will attend this in the morning. He is the Chaitanya Prasad Prabhu, he is very active. And you only got right speak. I am just telling that. So he has been doing it for many years. He will tell you about the teachers and everything. So that's Bhaktivedanta Vidyashram. Then they tend to go to different schools. This is one called Vidyashram. Third one is BMS, we call it, Bhaktivedanta Model School. There are about 300-350 children there. And that is like any other school, but there is a difference is, it's all run by devotee teachers and only for the devotee children. It's all congregation devotee children. Children come with Tilak, many of them wear Kantimal also. They all are taught regular subjects like any other school, but they celebrate all the festivals. And Radhashtami, they will be writing a letter to Radharani, all of them. They pray to Radharani for mercy. They will make cards. We call it as an integrated approach, we call it, which means along with maths, physics, science and English, everything, they integrate teaching. I will give all the brochures to Prabhuji. You can share with everybody who want to see more. So they take them for field visits to yatras also they take them. One advantage of EMS is they will give holiday on festival days. They make the holidays like that. And the director is Tulsi Prabhu. He is also a devotee, initial devotee. And the principal of the school is Hemangi Gopi Mataji, who is a disciple of Vishwanath Jayabhadra Maharaj. Very, very active lady. She's a creative genius. She is the one who conceived of the idea of training the children. She and her husband had gone to Dallas for some time. I told them, we want to start the school. You are interested to be a principal. she immediately told the husband, leave the job there and come back. Then she came and took it. We are running it for last almost 10 years. Going on very well. So we have Bhaktivedanta Model School, Bhaktivedanta Vidyashram, he will tell you more about that, and Gurukula. So Bhaktivedanta Model School is like a general school, Vidyashram, daily commitment for a couple of hours. And Gurukula is a fully committed. Children have to live away from parents, but they will meet the parents time to time. So we have made different brackets for different people according to how much they want to extend themselves. These are all children training program venues, different things like that. BMS is also the same floor only at the moment, but now they got a land 1 kilometer away, so they're building a new school now. So I think they are also going to speak to them, I think. So she spoke yesterday, that's very good, yeah, very good. So they are moving out very soon. Now we will hear from our Chaitanya Prasad, who is very soft devotee. So I took you around to some other places. Later on, gift start I can see if they wish to want to watch it. They start at the Govinda's cafeteria and others.
Yes, yesterday they offered.
Okay. Thank you, Alex. Also, Mukund Murari Prabhu, Karagan, right? Mukund Murari Prabhu is my connecting point. So once he wrote a mail to me asking whether I can address the children of Gulf. So I was thinking only one program I was thinking. He said, no, we want a series of programs. So every time like 15-20 children have been coming and they were all answering questions in an extraordinary manner. I remember Prahlad Mukundan, every question he has to answer. I would tell him, wait a minute, give chance to others. And who else I have seen? Aditya? Ananda? Ananda Krishnan, yeah. And your name? He was there. Who else was there? I remember. What's her name? Kapila, yeah. Kapila is. Piyush is here. Piyush? He is Piyush, okay. You take off your mask, let me see. Piyush, okay. And then who else? You also take off, let me see. What's his name?
Samvit.
Samvit, okay. Aditya, correct.
Parikshit.
Acha, he is Vamshi Mohan, Vamshi.
He is Vamshidhar.
He is Vamshidhar. And then boy behind you also.
Parikshit.
Parikshit, yeah. Parikshit used to come also, yeah.
Sana.
Parikshit is coming.
Where is Balan? Is Balan is your godmother?
Areksha.
Mataji is Rohini Mataji.
Areksha. Okay. So,
Yeah, Mataji is Vamshidhar Prabhu's wife.
no, Areksha.
Navarupa Mataji is Aditya's mother. And we have
Nived.
Hare Krishna.
Sundar Prabhu, Manoj Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
He is Srinath Prabhu's father. He is Parsadi Prabhuji. Sanatan Prabhu. His son is
Rishikesh.
Rishikesh. So, all these, you are all in which standard? Rishikesh, you are saying? 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay. And you are saying? Kapil? Yeah? So many of them are in like 10th, 11th.
His father is Divya Kamlapati and Mataji is
Hare
Nandini Mataji. They are actually taking care of. We have model school kind of set up there in Margaret.
Oh.
Different ages, they are
Different age groups.
All Matajis are teachers actually.
Okay. Oh, very good.
So all credit goes to them, whatever they are, the children.
They must have brought them up from very young age.
Yeah.
From 6 or 7, right?
Yeah.
So,
So all
he will tell you something similar, right? You have groups from 5 to 8 and 8 to 12 and then 12 like that. They're taking very good. They are all teachers. They will enjoy this meeting very well. Very good.
So that's why we planned so that we can take your association and see all this wonderful.
But I'm very, very happy to see them brought up in a good ambience. You have brought them abroad. Very nice. So you are coming first time to this temple?
Yes, most of us.
So you are all in India for a week or 2?
We come normally a month vacation.
Okay.
So this July, August is the vacation period.
Any other place you are going, I can tell devotees to help you out.
Actually, South Vrindavan, they are, you know, South Vrindavan, Kerala.
I heard about it, yeah, I know. Yeah.
So some of them are, his father and mother, they are pujaris there.
Okay.
So they stay in.
I heard it's very nicely developed. I heard that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they are already.
Our Narahari Chakarapu told me about from ICC Bangalore.
Ah,
He goes there. He's my good friend. So
Ah,
he told me, yeah, okay. So there you will spend some time.
Yeah, they have many of them as their house there. They are doing seva there.
Oh, nice.
So
Here somebody's taking care of nice prasad, everything for all of you.
Yeah, fantastic.
All are happy. Or you want South Indian or something? All right.
All varieties are there.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
Jai Shri Shyam Prabhu ji ki
Jai.
Jai.
Jai.